Okay. So are we saying
So
that I'm not trying to decode? Please correct me if I'm wrong. This is
mhm.
really off the cuff. This thought came to me when you gave other examples like chai. Uh, are we saying that when we take ourselves too seriously about whatever activity we are doing, whether it is completely lazing or we are into a hyper mode about delivering something or doing some job
Yes.
that we think we cannot take a break from, either of the two extremes, we are investing ourselves too much into the situation, saying it will not happen without me. If I don't,
Yeah.
there's nobody who will do it. Whereas, where even if it is true, or see, even if it is seemingly true,
Mhm.
the idea is that we are still not giving ourselves enough respect. Because if I, the professional, am a guy who prides himself on delivering every time, do not respect I, the person,
Hmm.
need the 5 minute break. And this music, this chai, this whatever, actually it doesn't matter. You may actually go and sit and do nothing. We know
Yeah.
meditation technique. I remember a friend of mine who had done a Vipassana course, and one part of the first part of the course is called Anapana. Uh,
Anapan.
they teach you how to look at your breath. There's a process that they teach you. He was he was shortlisted among 16 of India's top photographers for some competition.
Mhm.
He says it went on because it was being recorded. It also went on late into the night. He says at 2 in the night, I realized that I just could not go on anymore, and I just decided 5 minutes to sit back and just I do what I was taught. He said for the next few hours, I just didn't know where I got the energy from.
Oh.
Uh, and he's not even a regular practitioner. I mean, that gave him at least interest in that I should continually do it, because I am kind of a hound saying, "Okay, if you know it, why don't you do it? You will know the
Mhm.
do it." So, but I don't like, I will not harrow you day in and out, but you know my stand. So if you bring up this topic, I am obviously, I'll smile and you will know, okay, yaar, Bunty is again pointing out to that point. कि करता क्यों नहीं है? You know that it is beneficial.
Yeah.
But yeah, so coming back to the point, what I am trying to say is that emphasizing the fact that this mind body is important with real value. The
Right.
cigarette is not real value because cigarette is again one more thing that changes your biochemical equation inside and adds to the stress, not lessens it.
Mhm.
So while on the surface of it, it may seem that it is helping you out, it is actually burning you out literally.
Burning you out. Yeah.
Which is also
I
true of
agree.
chai and coffee if that happens at 3 in the night. But I don't have a better version of telling people. So I think between the smoke and the chai, I would suggest कि chai पी लो चलेगा. Or else, again, I think I would want to go a little deeper. Sometimes I used to go to black tea, so you reduce the impact it has on your body. Or
Yeah.
else the 10-20 minute when the edit is a little more simpler, where I don't have to pay attention for the next technical part of the rendering. Or
Mhm.
I would go off to sleep for 20 minutes. And I would tell myself that you are sleeping for 20 minutes, it's a nap, and in 20 minutes you have to get up fresh. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. But it still gives you that idea of, okay, look, I can't do anything about the rendering. Uh, this brings me to a wonderful point that I didn't think of. It's also the humility of I can't do anything to the computer if it stops rendering. The ability to be humble about your ability itself,
Yeah.
freedom.
Yeah. It liberates you. It
It
can
liberates you
liberate.
immediately because you know, okay, I remember when I was new and my first one of the first few films was for a Unilever product at that point of time, and that those days computers weren't very fast if you remember, so they used
Hmm.
16
Yeah.
hours rendering, and so 14 hours में यार light बंद हो गया you would say. I'm like you, what are we? And it just made you feel like oh now what do I tell the client? You have nothing to say. What can you say? Rendering बंद हो गया. So he would say, so who are you working with? Those guys don't have the proper system. I said, Arey, this is your regular guy. He's like on
Hmm.
the list of those approved vendors and all this stuff. So he's not some
Hmm.
faltu guy, but you can't do
Hmm.
anything.
Yeah.
I think the ability to be humble about your limitations, um,
Hmm.
as well as responsible to yourself,
Hmm.
uh, I think is an important aspect. I have one question for you. The word responsibility, somebody else had decoded it as ability to respond.
Okay. Quite interesting.
Yeah, and that had changed my view because responsibility, जैसे word use करते हैं ना, the first thing comes duty, and I think like Atlas, it's like a
हाँ हाँ हाँ. No, duty as defined by others, not
हाँ,
by you. ये तो कुछ पूरा मतलब सब कुछ ही change हो गया. See,
बराबर,
one is what is your responsibility as you would define for yourself,
yeah,
and as others could mean your seniors, your clients, your you know, or your society, your parents, your whatever, you know, as they had assigned you, as they perceive it. ठीक है, जो हमने समझा है कि यार look, this is your responsibility, you have to deliver by 2 p.m.
yeah,
So, and as I would, अरे यार 2 p.m. का है, मुझे एक 12 बजे तो खत्म कर देना है, फिर मुझे ये करना है वो करना है. So what you would assign yourself. So responsibility में ना always focus on what you assign yourself rather than what others are assigning you. तो बहुत फर्क पड़ता है because what others have assigned to you may not be responsibility, maybe just passing on the baton, that's it.
yeah, true.
But
So
what
that
you
is
have
the ability to respond because very beautifully you have decoded it by saying you decide. So you are responsive in a way that is to your
yes.
benefit.
Yes. And you know what, Surinder, I have in the past suffered for not saying no and for just taking the baton as it came to me. ओके, कि देख अभी तो क्या है, 5 सेकंड में तू वहाँ 400 सेकंड, तू तो हुसैन बोल्ट का बाप है, तो तू 400 सेकंड 5 सेकंड में तू वो 400 मीटर पहुंच के उसको बैटन दे देना. आई सेड यस, कर देता हूँ. ठीक है, विदाउट इवन थिंकिंग कि बॉस वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड क्या है, तूने किस चीज को यस बोल दिया है. सो दिस so even when you take responsibility, you need to be very sure your head should be on its place कि बॉस मैं क्या responsibility ले रहा हूँ. is Does this fall in line with the responsibility I would give to myself, or it doesn't? If it doesn't, so boss, this is not responsibility, this is parental expectation. कि देख मेरा बेटा तो साइंटिस्ट भी बनेगा, एस्ट्रोनॉट भी बनेगा, और बड़ों के पाँव भी छुएगा, ये भी करेगा, मतलब ऑल पुट टुगेदर.
Hmm.
बहू तो ऐसी तोड़ के लाएगा जो मतलब इस नो सेम सबकास्ट की भी है. सो एवरीथिंग ऑल पुट टुगेदर, दैट इज पेरेंटल इन ओल्डर डेज. तो उसको हमने रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी वर्ड दे दिया है. दैट इज नॉट रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. These are unreasonable expectations that people have. They want to pass on the baton. Okay, harm, what do you expect from yourself, what is reasonable, and so what is it that you delegate yourself, wahi responsibility hai. Have you failed yourself? Were you able to deliver it on time? Were you able to deliver it with the kind of quality you thought you would be able to? And did were all the checks and balances in place? Was your email perfect? Third line पे ये लिखा था. Did you write those things to close and open the email, so on and so forth? If you if those checks and balances are there for your own self, तब तक सब ठीक है.
Wonderful. Because so does that
Let
mean
not the world tell you.
that this topic, as we've started it, keeps on going in one direction, which is saying that one is if you start understanding yourself more,
Yeah.
if you start accepting your limitations, if you start working on what is to be worked on, if you start taking responsibility as defined by the ability to respond in a manner that you have set for yourself, which is neither too high nor too low, because
Not
of
to do.
because it can't be that मुझे जो चाहिए मैं लिख दूंगा. You did specify कि
ना
third
ना ना.
mail has
If
to
it's too low, that means you know कि भाई मैं इससे ऊपर तो कर ही नहीं सकता.
बराबर
मतलब तू यही है, तो भाई don't cry about the shitty life that you have.
बराबर. So
हाँ.
so more का जो antidote perhaps could we say that is understanding?
Probably yes. Understanding. and take, see, I'll tell you, just more ka one more antidote is just take a break. Yeah, it's come from you, Surinder. It's not come from me right now. That your chai ka break, 5 minute ka. That there needs to be a break everywhere. It's like, you know, even coming back to pav bhaji. If I'm having, as I said, where I started from this conversation, you know, I'm in some remote place in Assam and I'm having a pav bhaji 4 times a week, just because I'm not finding an option that matches it. That, you know, अभी वहाँ ब्रेक लेना पड़ेगा बस 2 हफ्ता तो मैं पाव भाजी खाऊंगा ही नहीं. आई विल बाय पार्ले जी, मैं वो खा लूंगा चाय के साथ. इट वोंट टेस्ट एज ग्रेट एज पाव भाजी, पर अभी वो ब्रेक लेना पड़ेगा, वो बहुत जरूरी है.
Oh, wonderful. So then
सो मोर
sacrifice
को तो ब्रेक ही तोड़ पाएगा. हाँ हाँ,
sacrifice is also an important part of growing.
absolutely brother, I'll tell you, you have to sacrifice, come what may.
So why
Sacrifice.
I want to ask, in my mind, I don't want to sacrifice, but still I know it's important because I love this. Why sacrifice? Why would Jay sacrifice the pav bhaji? He likes it, वो available है, उसके पास पैसा है. Why should he?
हाँ, now 2 things, because I've realized बस वो रोज पाव भाजी खाना is not healthy. अभी constipation भी हो रहा है, रोज का पाव पेट में जा रहा है, थोड़ा एसिडिटी भी होने लगा है. So now, as I said, everything is a habit. Okay, if we were living hypothetically on a planet, okay, where carbon dioxide or cyanide is the only ingredient, or it's the only thing in the atmosphere, and there are traces of oxygen, that's it. ठीक है, so we would have survived on cyanide and we would have died on oxygen consumption. Okay, अभी मैं थोड़ा adaptation पे जा रहा हूँ कि हम वो हो जाते, we would have evolved into that species कि अपना सिस्टम साइनाइड पे चल रहा है और हम ऑक्सीजन से मर जाते हैं. Similarly, you put yourself in a situation and you identify your poison, your oxygen. That's it. So let's say pav bhaji is my poison, probably something else is my green tea is my oxygen. I'll have to get out of that, be uncomfortable for a while, find another, you know, habit to form. Once I've formed that habit, na, this you know, this has become my poison. अभी ये मैं नहीं बर्दाश्त कर पा रहा हूँ. So अभी लेजीली बैठना मुझसे बर्दाश्त नहीं हो रहा है, या you know, too much of chocolates मुझसे बर्दाश्त नहीं हो रहा है, because I've quit on chocolates for example. But that initial phase जो होता है ना, उसी में sacrifice word है, उसका उतना ही shelf life है. Sacrifice का shelf life is only that initial phase of transitioning from one particular habit to another particular habit. वो transition phase में ही वो उसका shelf life है, उसके आगे उसका कोई shelf life नहीं है. उसके आगे वो जो कर रहे हो वो sacrifice नहीं है, करना नहीं पड़ता वो, you don't have to.
Okay.